Opposition is growing to a deal that will privatize a popular Canadian retailer. Mountain Equipment Co-op announced it's being taken over by an American investment firm. A petition calling for the deal to be cancelled already has over 10,000 signatures. MEC, as it's known, was born nearly 50 years ago as a grassroots cooperative in Vancouver. Customers bought $5 memberships to become part of the co-op, essentially owners of the company. And as Mike Drolet reports, seeing where it's headed hurts.
For almost 50 years, MEC customers have shared a bond in ownership and pride in a socially conscious company that was uniquely Canadian. So news of a takeover by American investment firm Kingswood Capital came as a shock.
It's not going to be the same as it has been. Like, it's a company that I love and trust.
MEC had to close all 22 of its stores and lay off 1,300 employees because of the pandemic. But its true financial troubles can be traced back a few years to when it began aggressively expanding into more big box stores at a time when consumers were moving to more online shopping. MEC grew its outdoor specialist business by selling $5 memberships to like-minded customers. But in 2013, it removed the co-op from its logo and expanded its product lines, going more mainstream in the process.
That's what the market wants, isn't it? It's not what I want.
Ultimately, MEC's sales couldn't match its growth.
The board of directors thought that for them there was no other way or no other option that were viable in order to keep the company afloat so that the company could survive, because otherwise they would have to go bankrupt.
So MEC will continue to exist, although the new owners are expected to close 5 stores and cut 25% of its workforce. And those 5 million memberships, they'll soon be worthless.
The new owners have said they're going to keep the name, they're going to keep some of the same brands. So I think it's going to be very similar. It's just not going to be members helping members. And if that was important to you, you're going to notice that difference.
As a customer, not a member. Mike Drolet, Global News, Toronto.